Hi everyone, this is Tim from Technetics. So today we will discuss 4 ultimate ways to take screenshot on Galaxy S21 Ultra. The first one is to use the accessibility menu. In order to use the accessibility menu, first I'd like you to go to Play Store and search for accessibility app. And you need to choose the one provided by Google. After installing this app, you can go to Settings, scroll to Accessibility, Advanced Setting. On Accessibility Gesture, select Accessibility menu. In that accessibility gesture, it tells you to use 2 fingers swiping up from the bottom of the screen. So you can use 2 fingers from a hand or any 2 fingers from both hands to take screenshot. The second option is to use the assistive touch. To do that, go to Settings, Accessibility, choose Interaction and Dexterity, and turn on Assistant menu. In Assistant menu, we have the option to select menu item. So we can add the item that we like or remove the item that we don't like. So here I'm going to remove some item to simplify the assistant menu. When you are already satisfied with the item, you can go back to the screen and you see assistant menu as a pale dot at the edge of the screen. Just tap on it and choose screenshot. The third way to take screenshot on your Galaxy S21 Ultra is to use the gesture. You can go to Settings, scroll to Advanced Feature, choose Motion and Gestures, and turn on Palm Swipe to capture. Let's go back to home screen and swipe your palm across the screen like this, and it takes a screenshot. The last option to take screenshot is to use the physical keys. The first time I got this phone, I don't even know how to take a screenshot because there is no home button anymore. So how to take a screenshot then? Just press the volume down button and power button at the same time. 1, 2, 3. So which option do you like the most? Please comment down below. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you learned something from it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Stay cool!